Hello, guys. Hello, welcome again. It has been a while since I post, so I'm back at it again. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, today we have a short video. So, when you get back from work and you are so hungry, you just want to have something simple and fast. So, here I'm just gonna do like a quick salad with avocado, um, cucumber, egg, persil, onion, garlic, and fish, and also olive oil. So yeah, in this video you will just see how everything goes, how it started, how it end. Yeah,